Palau Pacific Resort is advancing its commitment to sustainability with the completion of a new solar power project now fully operational on site. The installation includes 1,104 solar panels and operates under a hybrid energy system designed to provide both stability and efficiency. Rather than replacing existing infrastructure, the system integrates solar power with battery storage and the resort's diesel generators. To maintain consistent operations, the base 800 kilowatt on-site generator is programmed not to operate below 250 kilowatts. Battery capacity and charge-discharge controls are carefully managed to maximize renewable energy usage while keeping voltage levels and power factors stable throughout the hotel. The integration ensures guests experience uninterrupted and reliable electricity service. Based on system projections, approximately 17% of the resort's total electricity demand is expected to be replaced by renewable energy. The project was made possible through collaboration with Tokyo Land Corporation, Pacific Islands Development Corporation, and Knuckle Construction Group. Resort officials say the solar farm represents a significant investment in reducing carbon emissions and aligns with the global goals outlined by the United Nations Sustainable Development Framework. As Palau continues to position itself as a leader in environmental stewardship, projects like this highlight how public and private sector partnerships can contribute to a more sustainable future. From Palau, this is Ngalday Tulop.